Hi everyone! Today we're checking out a beast in the next e-bike lineup, the Voltaris Pro S. This isn't your average kick scooter. Think full size, powerful, and high performance electric ride. Let's dive into what makes it special. Uy, napakalaki naman ng space ng U-Box ng motorsiklo to. Ang dami ko nilagay na gamit. Tara, ikot tayo! Welcome back to our channel guys. In this ride lang pag may time. At another first for us. Dahil ang susubukan natin motorsiklo ngayon para ma-experience ay hindi di gasolina. Kung hindi, di baterya. Special thanks to NXT or Next E-Bike Philippines for lending us this Voltaris Pro S e-scooter. By the way guys, under the Voltaris model, meron to tatlong variants. So the Voltaris Pro, and the Voltaris Pro S. At sa tatlong model na yan na binanggit natin, the Voltaris and the Voltaris Pro and the Voltaris Pro S, itong Voltaris Pro S lang ang included ang top box. Kaya may additional pa yung magalalagyan natin mga luggages. At the same time, kasama na ang crash guard at ang MDL. So, stock yan pag kinuha ninyo in Voltaris Pro S. At tignan ninyo naman ang upuan na kasama dyan. Yan na yan mismo. Astig, di ba? It's got a crash guard, a mini driving light, and even top box for storage. That's already a huge plus if you want utility plus style. Build feels solid. The steel frame in all the Voltaris line gives you the confidence when you ride. It's not a flimsy toy scooter. Under the hood, a 3000 QS motor. That's a serious power for an EV two-wheeler. Controller is a Votal EM100. This helps with the smoother acceleration and better control, especially when you're pushing speed or doing long rides. Actually guys, isa yan sa mga una ko napansin sa kanya dahil napaka-smooth ng response ng acceleration ng scooter na ito. Impressively, it can reach 150 to 180 km range per charge, depending on your riding style. It has 3 riding modes and 1 sport mode. With the battery management, they use a Bluetooth-enabled BMS, which is the battery management system. Well, it's nice to have one for you to easily monitor your battery. And check this out guys, meron siyang reverse. And this bike is equipped with CBS, the combined brake system, with a 220mm front and rear disc brake. In all honesty, I enjoy this bike. Parang di ako gumagamit ng normal na motor. Less the vibration ng makina at ingay ng tambucho. Saka mga ka-rides, sa speed, hindi naman din magpapahuli. So, top speed around 70 to 80 kph at ramdam mo ang bawat torque and acceleration niya sa kada riding mode na pipiliin mo. May sports mode pa, so may laban. Want to check this bike? Message their Facebook page, Next E-Bike PH, and message them and ask for the nearest branch in your location. If you're in South area in Metro Manila, visit their Next E-Bike PH Parañaque branch. Just look for Sir Brian.